My beginning was in 2004 when I got my first job. It was in Microsoft technology. And that was a very small startup, not a startup, but a small company, probably 15, 20 individuals. And the culture over there was a little bit different. Now, many says disciplined culture helps an individual to grow, but there are many companies which says we don't care about discipline. All we care about is productivity. Now, in if that is the scenario, you take your time, you decide your own schedule, but deliver us what is needed. Be in your comfort and then take a call and deliver what is needed.